No matter who wins, you get 9 billion to people, they will protect pipeline. Shall the one way they can do for Lagos, na pipeline they come protect for Ikorodu Road?
You know the road long way.
So pipe they there.
Maybe
the road they protect.
No, they protect because the road long.
What is special about the road they protect?
And then that's where they break people's car, carry gun,
vandalize and things.
But I tell you, the thing where they do, you can give Masop, give them power, give militant, give them power, Opus, give them power. Hey, when the election finish, with the money where they get, we dey trouble.
Alajimo will look the issue of insecurity because we not forget that one.
Insecurity. I mean, I tell you now, the man will go give OPC money, he give Masop money, he give militant money. They allow them carry gun, no arrest them because they campaign for them. After election, and that money finish, what didn't they go do? That's the beginning of insecurity.
So we will take and go northeast. We don't see say in the last 6 weeks after Oga President talk say we need the National Security Advisor and first talk. Say he advise Professor Jega na advice. Jega maybe Jega can't take the advice. Say but this last 6 weeks we don't see say all the local governments when we say Boko Haram they do say they don't pursue them. And now people come to talk say yes now because they say other people don't they support us now. You think? No, as in America, they don't they say.
No rubbish, no lie. Now for election purpose. So for 6 years, the man get how you go buy you buy a gun.
Weapon.
Every year with the budget $5 billion for defense. What did I do with that?
Every year,
Chukudi.
Every year, Chukudi. Every year, $5 billion.
For defense. Listen. What did they do with them? Then election now means you now postpone election for 6 weeks. You now say, guru. Share those things what you do now. Look at where we liberate. You go wake the people who don't die. That's what we do now. The people, the soldier who die, you go wake them up. Then we ask him for television. He said, it takes time to get ammunition. The commander-in-chief.
Alaji, I can't even ask one question.
Commander-in-chief.
Alaji, I can't ask one question.
So
okay.
if America, when Al-Qaeda attack America, America goes away for 1 year, 1 month. The same week, the same day they retaliated. You come say, the thing where you meet, you'll be chief, you'll be commander-in-chief. You say you don't meet anything for
no excuse at all.
No, no excuse because I can't ask my Alaji. I can't even talk.
No, but what if now as a kind man, we no like you. We no like
waiting. People they tell you say we don't like waiting. People don't die.
He be the chief of army staff. They ask him go carry gun.
No, as in to take it
easy. What they take easy? People they die every day.
No.
So now within these 6 weeks you can't get a result.
We say the man won't use Boko Haram before for his own purpose. You had the thing backfire. Okay, the this week he bring back the 270 girls.
You get another thing when happen for news now. One of the freed person when we say Boko Haram, people don't know before. He talk say the girls they're there for Goza, and Oga President don't assure say by Friday, that's tomorrow, say our army they go liberate Goza. We suppose they happy for this kind of talk because na good news say things don't.
Good news we do it. If they come tomorrow and bring some guests, na cheaper guests, now you burn them, you sabi them. But until the people we burn them say my pikin don't come
back home.
There's nothing people no fit do. 6 weeks, so they know that it goes at for 1 year. What did they do? Even now that one they liberate.
But you know that military intelligence now small like those of us who go command now.
They sleep before.
No, we go tactics.
For how many years?
Leave tactics.
For how many years?
Leave tactics.
For 6 years, 5 years, 4 years, 3 years.
Alaji, make we carry this matter go under playing field, underground. Okay, like recently, like some weeks back, you released one press statement. We talk say, look, say say make people make the ruling party make anything no happen to na presidential candidate wey be Mohammed Buhari and national leader wey be this thing Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Say because the way they sit in say make anything no happen to them. So waiting prompt that.
As I talk you now, they don't sign 3,000 warrants. Make them go arrest APC leader everywhere.
3,000?
Yes,
3,000.
that is why Bola Tinubu say, for today, me, I don't pack my bag. I already go prison.
But the bag, you know, maybe now holiday, the bag when he say pack.
Choko, they go holiday for election day. For election day, we meet to go holiday. No, but the man say, FG plans to arrest him. How can you say people like Tinubu na troublemaker? How can you say people like Erufai na troublemaker? Buhari, troublemaker. Amechi, troublemaker. These are responsible Nigerians. And now only now you won't go arrest them. When the day before?
Yeah, so maybe.
Well, like... Chukudi, make also look at no, because me, me cannot just say I won't take this in personal. Because these people who they talk about now, where they say make they go arrest. Now people will say we don't see their sense of leadership for this our country. We don't say they don't rule for the different states. Okay, a typical example now still on this same certificate issue. When they try bring back, say they still then they bring about court on that.
You go wait. No more take Ego. Ego they call us from Abuja.
Hey,
Oga Ego. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Shudi.
Good morning, Oga.
Good morning, Oga Ruby.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Lai Mohammed.
Good morning, my brother.
Oga Shukudi.
Sir.
Sir, Oga Ukubi.
Yes.
And Oga Lai Mohammed. I get two questions for now. Just two questions for now. Una they talk for television, the listing. Oga Lai Mohammed they talk about corruption. I want to ask one question. Ukubi, you go answer me, and Oga Lai Mohammed I go answer me.
No, I hear you.
Which corruption pass the one say, somebody go put gun for your head. They take over power from you. Call rule. One, then I one question. Then two, I go ask Oga Lai Mohammed, say, he say, make we all vote finish, make we stand there, make we protect our vote. I want answer, if he vote, he go there for them, make he protect his vote. In way they talk now, he go there, they go there for their house. Then now, the youth, they want to say, may they go protect their vote. There are problem cause for the polling unit. There, they go kill themselves. Meanwhile, they just say our leader, don't go sit down for one place.
Thank you very much, amigo.
Wait, no, I'm not finished.
Two questions.
Wait, make I put one joy. You never finish. The third one, in they talk about the military, say they know they work, say for the past how many years now, they never buy equipment. He know the procedure, to buy equipment for this thing, to carry out enforcement for this. He know this thing because now they post money, make he bring out the evidence. When say see, now be this one, because now he carry that and say make they go impeach Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, make they remove her from seat.
Thank you very much, Ogaigo. Thank you. I'll make your point.
Ogaigo, you know, ask questions because they are so simple. One, he say, if I go vote, I go say, I go stay, make it come my polling booth until the announce results. Two, he say, na corruption. When you put gun.
Say which corruption they people and make person.
It look like say probably they never born Ogaigo. The time 1985, come see the kind of corruption we did for that government. I don't know how many of you there alive.
And the government of Alhaji Shehu Shagari.
Yes. And the man talk him. He said, Buhari no be one of the people who will overthrow him. After they overthrow him, they look for clean person, honest person. That's how he come.
You see, I'm honest.
Honest. He said,
honest.
He said, he no be part of them. But after they do him, they look for something we ain't clean. And not be only him say so. I remember sometimes that Juma is alive. He said for interview, he said, when they do coup for 1970, they say when they kill Murtala Mohammed for 1976, he say that they look for somebody from the north, will go be number 2, since Obama will become number 1. That 2 of them qualify. They're the same rank. Late Yaradua and Buhari. But he say, make them put Yaradua there. Because they will retain Buhari for army. Because they know that somebody that can
a disciplined man.
No be me say so. So he no be Buhari we do coup. In dey just after they do coup say we say we want clean this country. Among us who get reputation, that's how they bring am do. And he do am.
Okay.
The third one where he say there's a big
But sorry, Alhaji, we get make this call, make we no lose this call. We get Wale they call us from Abuja. Good morning, Wale.
Good morning, oh.
Yeah.
Good morning, Oga Wale. Abeg us greet Alhaji when they with us inside studio.
I want greet our big Alhaji. God bless you, sir.
Amen.
May God continue to increase your strength, sir.
Amen.
We are happy for your education and everything they educate us. May God continue to increase you, sir.
Amen.
Really, I want really say maybe the first caller no waiting constitution say. He say make you cast your vote and stay behind. Don't be say make you fight for the polling center. And it is a choice, a thing of choice. No, say make one person stay or make one person go. It is left for Alhaji if Alhaji wants to stay and if Alhaji won't go. And I don't think say they get anywhere where they put on point for person head. And secondly, in talk say they bought money for purchasing equipment of arms equipment for the military. I think every Nigeria they show budget, all the budget for TV. We they watch them as Nigeria. We they see them as Nigeria. We don't need to be in the Senate or be in Asoro before we know the budget where they budget for military for purchasing of military equipment. It is on a very high side, but still they complain, say no equipment. Within 6 weeks, on account they do everything. They bring another budget come out 6 weeks. They bring another budget. Maybe they start to deceive Nigeria.
Oga Wale, thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much.
Alhaji, no need for you to answer the question again because one Nigeria don rise up to answer am. Say we dey see the budget.
Yes.
So we no need receipt.
Now 6 years they go, they say prepare. Say proceed. What procedure? What procedure for 6 years? Let's talk about better thing there.
Then Alhaji, this question will be very, very important because some people don already talk and say if we don't start something, make we continue in the way when we don't dey go. Say if we change, if we come out wetin we don't start from, say we will go back to square one.
You see, the thing be say, there's a proverb we say, there's no guarantee. Say if we change, it go better. Not true. But if we no change, we no go know whether it go better or not. The thing be say those who want make we continue the way we did. She won't continue with no power, no job, insecurity, religious division.
That is the
Look, if somebody do one work, even say in 5 years, he don't do well, give another person we get better qualification. And why did we say we get better qualification? This man, he don't be head of state before. Don't be minister for petroleum before. He don't go teacher. He be commander in chief before. He be general before.
So he know how to go about that.
The experience don't be there.
Then he come and say when he was a military man, he wicked. You see soldier we kind.
But soldier they always dey discipline. Yes, we go quickly again. We go rush go the next break. When we come back, we go enter the final stretch. Just begin the talk am. They go as we dey reach March 28, when we say na the day of the Presido and the National Assembly elections for inside Obodo, Nigeria. We dey come back as e dey hot. Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. We go take call. Calls don dey enter since. You get one person when we say in dey on our line now and he wan follow us talk. Hello, good morning. Okay, we don't lose that call.
I bet we also use this opportunity also reinform our viewers. Say election they come very soon. That is the next tomorrow. Now we go. All of us go do it. Come out, go do it, and go cast our vote for the person of our choice, the person who want make he lead us tomorrow. And they will also tell us, say, look, for now anywhere we are day, in case now do it, now get any picture, video, anything when I want share with us during that election day, men I do it, men I send them to eyewitness@wazobiatv.tv. Wait now, call them eyewitness@wazobiatv.tv.
Yes, another thing we go like emphasize now say our law guarantees say okay, if you vote finish, make you dey there, but the minimum distance where you go keep now 40 meters. So if you dey 40 meters, if you no cause trouble, no wahala. And we dey assure every Nigerian say, come out, come vote, because your vote na your power, and na wetin we go use move our country go forward. Alhaji.
Yeah, I don't know where you get that 40 meters law from.
No, he did the electoral law. Say 40 meters. No be say people no go dey there, but 40 meters because na secret ballot. You no go enter where person dey vote, no vote.
You say 40 meters from the ballot.
From the ballot, yes.
No, I agree with that. No be say 40 meters from where people
from the ballot box.
Fine.
You no need to dey spy to dey look wetin.
That's why it's secret ballot.
Yes, secret ballot. We go take Omo. Omo dey call us from Benin. Oga Omo, good morning, sir.
Omo,
hello,
good morning.
How you know say Omo be your man, be man? He be woman too.
Good morning, Omo.
Now, Alhaji, make we no need to dey talk go far.
Yes.
They go up, they go down. We just talk am straight.
The thing be say, you see, everything where then they throw against Buhari, na lie. They say he kill people where they push cocaine. He only be head of state. Now the government will make the law. And they say anybody will carry cocaine, but they kill him. Then go like say he kill woman. No woman was killed. And when a government, when you are head of government, now you they get everything they go through and for you. And when we go London, he say whatever they do under, he take responsibility. But here, I feel be former dictator, but today I'm a Democrat. I'm a Democrat.
And we go on that Democrat note. Make we take Roger. Roger self na Democrat. Oga Roger, I bet chook mouth for inside this matter. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Roger.
It could be good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Chukudi and Mr. Lai Mohammed, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I always when I talk with the year, we in Nigeria, we sit down, we listen to the program all day. And listen, I know say, we get our own decision to make. Not be say we just carry somebody come for the talk in your own mind. Wait till you feel. This is a group of people, they don't gang up together. They call life for Nigeria. They say Nigeria not get sense. Or we, the youth of tomorrow, will not get sense. Or will not see what they happen. When we do, we see all the things when we say they do. Tinubu, when we say this APC man now, so the Tinubu, they call you wait when you get up today. They're not the see corruption for his side. Fachola, he not get corruption for his side. Uchomole, when be Edo State, he not get corruption for his side. Now, only Jonathan now that they see. When we see the truth, look, we talk. All of us in Nigeria, we see the truth, we see them. Now, the gang up say, now, they want people to before a time. They not going to leave the old man and go sit down for a house. What is the time for election this kind of time?
Thank you very much, Oga Roger. Don't make your point.
We understand, say, anything where person want talk, he get the right to talk about. Yes. If you talk, you know, go come be like, say, you come, they talk, say, they talk this, they talk that. On top of our serious, they always they talk and say, if this person no share your views, you know me say una go the quarrel because all of us are children of the same Nigeria.
No, yeah, he's free to talk. We go answer him. He say Buhari too old. At what age Mandela become president? At 74. At what age Reagan become president? At 69. Zeke will want to be president. How old he did that time? 79. It not be matter of age. It matter of mental fitness, moral rectitude, man will correct when you go steal your money. Two, in talk about Tinubu being corrupt. Talk about Fashola being corrupt. I just did laugh. I say, Tinubu stopped being governor 8 years ago. Waiting then they do if he corrupt, why they no arrest him? I mean, you know, why we say Jonathan corrupt? It's not different saying after all, you corrupt. No, you are the one where they're there now. I think we say when we get there, we are going to stop corruption.
But Alhaji, make we look now. Transformation. Oga Presido don dey promise right from time, and somehow we dey see some things when we say e dey happen, like the railway system when dey comatose before, wey be say e no dey work, e don revive am. Train dey, express they don build.
Chukudi, how many train dey? The train wey dey do 40 kilometers an hour, you say na train. Let me tell you, that train wey dey, all dem do bring new wagon. When you say modern train, it's modern gauge, one that go from here to Ibadan in 1 hour.
But what about the agricultural sector? We
don't save $2 billion.
Make you no go near that one. Oh, that agric sector, na him then they take kilos. You know what they do? They sign agreement. Say they go bring what they call GMOs. GMOs is genetically modified organism. You know, today, we dey chop garden egg, we no get seed. We don't chop carrot, apple. The thing be say, then take the seed, then modify them, so it go grow, boo, 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 boo. But they bring cancer. They bring disease. Look, this now, who buy them the phone? Now the people who won't come Nigeria, come do farming. I just they pray to God. Say me if we get there, that agreement we don't go allow break Nigeria, they die. Because the thing where they bring, why you think the kind of thing where they grow now?
Agric food.
Now what?
But no be something where they everywhere. Technology, as a result of technology.
Many countries know the Greek. Take them. India no Greek. Brazil no Greek. Australia no Greek. But here at the dumping ground, you see, what they do? They say it go take 5-6 years. You go see people, they go lump here, they get 2 more here. Make you go near Agrico.
Then one last one, Alaji. That Alimajiri schools. We know say the Alimajiri system is something we say don't day for a very long time. But as Oga Presido stand up, talk, say these children they need to go school because education is the best legacy. You don't think say na very good.
You see, Oga doesn't even understand the concept of Alimajiri. Until you understand a problem, you no go fit find solution.
So no cosmetic approach.
Let me tell you, Alimajiri na social problem. Alimajiri na some people who believe that their pikin must not go school. They believe that when they born pikin, make the pikin no go school. So what we must do is to convince them first. Educate them first where children must go to school. How many children there are elementary school?
So Alaji, what we else do be say you don't hit the name for
yes.
On Saturday now, if Nigerians come out now, if they present them, so okay, now the choice before you be this. Which choice you believe say go move Nigeria forward? I don't need to ask you because I know say
everywhere where you get they say change. Everywhere, go everywhere. Only people go anywhere today, they say change, they won't change. So if Nigerians go vote massively for APC.
But Alaji, this change, not be transformation, change, transformation.
Almost the same kind of language.
You know, compare this thing.
Our people when they for house, we always they talk and say
one change from
Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. Una go see say Alaji still they emphasize the point. Until we come back tomorrow, you know, according to law, they say 24 hours before the election, no more talk, say, now we. So we go just educate, continue to give information, make Nigerians know what they're supposed to do on election day so that wahala no go dey. Because if we cause trouble, people when they use trouble, causing trouble as excuse, they no go get any excuse. Until we come back again tomorrow to discuss the matter, stay concerned the election when they come on Saturday. So my name is Ezugu Chukwudi. On behalf of Unkubi and Alaji Wende.
I still want to remind them, use this same medium. Okay, until tomorrow, at least I will tell them about them tomorrow again.
Alaji, thank you very much for accepting our invitation.
Alaji, thank you very much.